Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself, and I'm doing that through the Patreon videos. So come on over and watch. Last week, these are the titles that you've missed out on. Lighten Up, and by the way, that has nothing to do with your weight. Just Desserts, also has nothing to do with sweets. Flying for Older Fly Babies. That was a request from Belinda. I went ahead and made that for her and for all of the older fly babies. However, please watch it. It applies to everyone or your future self. The fourth one is You, Your Stuff, Your Life, and Your Free Time. That one kind of speaks for itself. Well worth watching. Lots of good comments on that one. And the last one is called Your New Normal. So come on over, become a patron if you're not. If you already are, come watch these videos I made for you. Also make sure that when you watch, you make a comment if you need to, or you want to ask me a question, or you have a suggestion for a video, and I will use that to make a video if it applies to the FlyLady system. You'll also find comments from other patrons, your sister patrons, giving you recommendations for other videos and other things that will be helpful to you. So make sure you catch those comments because a lot of times other patrons are talking to you. All right, if you're not a patron, please join us. It's only $5 a month and you can become part of our force of 1,000 and you can initiate change in your life and in the lives of those you love, and you will be a force worth reckoning with. Have a wonderful day, patrons and fly babies, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.